You don't know how to solve theorems? Well, this video is for you. Good day everyone, I am Dailin B. Ubusa, a grade 11 STEM student from Tagum City College of Science and Technology Foundation, Incorporated. Our topic for today, or our discussion for today, is all about illustration of limit theorems. There are 8 theorems under illustration of limit theorems. Theorem 1. The limit of a constant is itself. If k is any constant, then limit k is equal to k as x approaches to c. Theorem 2. The limit of x as x approaches to c is equal to c. This may be thought as the substitution law because x is simply substituted by c. Limit x is equal to c as x approaches to c. Theorem 3. The constant multiple theorem. Theorem 4. The sum and difference theorem. Theorem 5. The multiplication theorem. Theorem 6. The division theorem. Theorem 7. The power theorem. Theorem 8. The radical or root theorem. Within this 8 theorem, we are going to discuss the 3 theorems. Theorem 1, Theorem 2, and Theorem 3. Theorem 1. The limit of a constant is itself. If k is any constant, then limit k is equal to k as x approaches to c. The formula of Theorem 1 is limit k is equal to k as x approaches to c.
Babangon tayo, susulong tayo. Babangon tayo, susulong tayo.
Magbabanat ng buto, todo-todong pagkakayon. Dahil pag may tinanim, tiyak na may aanihin. Tanim na kape ay ibig, sa tulong nyo di susuko. At ang pagbangon natin, ang gigising sa mundo.
Babangon tayo, susulong tayo.
Dahil ang pagbangon natin ito, ang gigising sa pangarap mo. Babangon tayo, susulong tayo. Babangon tayo, susulong tayo. Babangon tayo, susulong tayo.
Babangon tayo.
Theorem 1 is k is a constant, then the value of our k is our answer. For example, limit 2 as x approaches to c. So our answer is 2 because the 2 is a constant, then the formula is limit k is equal to k as x approaches to c. Number 2, example. Limit negative 3.14 as x approaches to c. So our answer is negative 3.14 because the value of our k is negative 3.14. Example number 3. Limit 789 as x approaches to c is equal to 789. Our answer is 789 because the value of our k is 789. Theorem 2. The limit of x as x approaches to c is equal to c. This may be thought of as the substitution law because x is simply substituted by c. The formula of Theorem 2 is limit x equals c as x approaches to c. Theorem 2 is where our x approaches. So let's try an example. Example number 1. Limit x as x approaches to 9. So our answer is 9 because our x is approaches to 9.
Kendra, wanna taste the green orange?
Green orange for real?
Lunas fruit na dalandan, amoy na amoy.
Is it real? Is it real? Let's do that!
Kitang-kita,
Real na real!
dan-dan-dan.
Dan, dan, dan! Dan, dan, dan!
Sarap ng real, lasap na lasap.
Real na real! Real na real! Dan, 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 dan!
Lunas fruta.
Example number 2. Limit x as x approaches to 0.005. So our answer is 0.005 because our x is approaches to 0.005. Note, for the remaining theorems, we will assume that the limits of f and g both exist as x approaches to c and that they are L and M respectively. In other words, limit f of x as x approaches to c is equal to L, and limit g of x as x approaches to c is equal to M. The value of our f of x is represents as L, and the value of our g of x is represents as M.
Energize with Milo every day and do champ moves like James. Energize! Start your day the champion way. Be energy, energy, got be energy, got. Drink Milo every day. Milo every day. With your 3 balanced meals, be energy, got. Drink Milo every day. Milo every day. Drink Milo every day and help beat energy gap like a champ.
Theorem 3. The constant multiple theorem. Limit k times f of x as x approaches to c equals limit f of x equals k times L as x approaches to c. So we are going to multiply the value of our k and L or f of x. For example, if limit f of x as x approaches to c is equal to 4, then limit 8 times f of x as x approaches to c equals 8 times limit f of x as x approaches to c.
Earth to Denise.
Uy! Thanks, Bes!
Teka, bakit? Ayaw mo ba?
Uy, hindi naman. Feeling ko lang kasi parang medyo koto na ako sa tamis for today. Pero thank you, Bes, ah. Hi! Beso! Sana ako din. Alam mo ba, kahapon nga may pampamarching band na proposal na ganap eh. Ang sweet, no?
Sus, kung Spotify na lang nila yung libre pa.
Hay naku, Julia, napaka-hater mo talaga. Wala nagkakagusto sa'yo eh. Alam mo, Bes, It's our senior year. So dapat all or nothing na. If I were you then, I would ask out na this Mr. Dream Girl of your life na 4 years mo na hinihintay, oh. 4 long years, bes. Hanggang saan ka pa ba maghihintay? Mamaya taken na yun.
Di pa siya taken.
Oy, ano?
Perfect pa din.
Oh, ang cute-cute talaga ng best friend ko. Super sweet! Kaya alam mo, bes, you have to promise me na this year, hindi next year, hindi next year, this year, this Valentine's Day, you would ask her out. Okay? Pinky promise! Pinky promise na!
Oo, ito. Pinky promise. I
Promise
will.
na yan, ha?
Oo, I will promise. Buti na nga lang din nandito siya eh.
Oh, hindi talaga? Nasaan? Yun! Siya ba yun? Siya yun.
Hindi
doon.
kasi ano ka ba? Hindi.
Uy, sino? Sino ba?
Equals 8 times 4 equals 32. So, the value of our f of x is 4, then the constant is 8. So, we were going to multiply these two is equals to 32. Example number 2. Limit negative 11 times f of x as x approaches to c is equal negative 11 times limit f of x as x approaches to c is equal to negative 11 times 4 is equal to negative 44. So we substitute the value of our f of x, which is 4, then times our limit is equal to negative 44. Limit 3 over 2 times f of x as x approaches to c is equal to 3 over 2 times limit f of x as x approaches to c is equal to 3 over 2 times 4 is equal to 6. The value of our f of x is 4, then our limit is 3 over 2. So, we're going to multiply these two, then the answer is 6. Now, we are done of our discussion, but I will give you an activity and you have 5 minutes to answer. 5 minutes starts now. Now we're going to answer your activity. Letter A. Limit 5 as x approaches to 2/3 equals 5 because this theorem is theorem 1 and 5 is a constant. That is why our answer is 5. Letter B. Limit -3 as x approaches to 2 is equal to -3 because this theorem is theorem 1 and -3 is a constant. That is why our answer is -3. Letter C. Limit x as x approaches to 7 is equal to 7 because this theorem is theorem 2 and our x is approaches to 7 and that is why our answer is 7. Letter D. Limit 8x as x approaches to 3 equals to 24 because we're going to substitute the value of our x in of where it is approaches. That is why 8 times 3 is equal to 24. That is why our answer is 24.